How to deposit a check at Bank of America. Now, before we start, make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Now, let's get started. So, in order to deposit a check at Bank of America, what you're gonna have to do is simply open the app and then simply log in. Now, the next step is to simply tap on deposit checks at the bottom. And then simply what you're gonna have to do is take a clear picture of the front of your check. So what you're gonna have to do is simply take a picture, and then you're gonna have to do the same thing for the back of the check. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply select to which account of yours you want to deposit. So you can choose your savings or the checking account, and then simply enter the amount of money that you want to deposit. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply tap on next, and then simply tap on submit, and basically that's all you have to do in order to deposit a check at Bank of America. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.